Hi, boys and girls. Let's do our rods today. You'll still have a couple of pages to work on in your math workbook, but I kind of wanted to show you today how the rods work with subtraction too. All right? So first, I'm going to use my board to make a number bond. Just look. You don't need to make one, okay? So if my number bond today, let's do 5. I like the number 5. And I'm going to put a 2 here. When you look at that bond, do you know what goes there automatically? Did you say 3? Because you would be right. 5 needs 3 and 2 to be there, the numbers that make 5, right? Well, it's also the way it works when we do subtraction. So if I show you this number bond, I'm going to set it down for a minute, and we get out our rods, I bet many of you can build this number bond with your rods. Go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to get mine out with one hand while you do yours. Now, usually I tell you to take out all of one set, right? Take one of each, make the staircase, and you know what? If you want to give it a pause, you can. Take out one of each, build the staircase, and then when you're ready, turn this back on, okay? So I already know that I need these 3 rods. So I need a 5 rod. That's yellow. What else do I need? I need a 2 rod. That's red. And I need a 3 rod. Light green. Okay? So if I was going to make this bond, here it is. I would go on the bottom. And I would read it this way, wouldn't I? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or 2 plus 3 equals 5. Or 5 equals 3 plus 2. Or 5 equals 2 plus 3. Now what if I said, let's do subtraction? Well, 5 take away 2 equals 3. Or 5 take away 3 equals 2. I love numbers because they balance each other out. And once you learn the patterns, you're all set. Okay, I'm going to do another number bond for you right now. I'm going to turn it sideways because we know it does not matter which way you do the bond, right? These are the 2 numbers that are going to go together to make this number. So if I put a 7 here, and I tell you that this number here is going to be a 2, do you know what this one is? If you don't, it's okay, because you've got your rods and you can use them. So let's think about it. I know I need a 7. I'm going to take these and put them aside. What's the 7 rod? The 7 rod, oops, I'm getting it. The 7 rod is the black rod. So I'm putting that down. And I know I need a 2. I guess I could have left that out because the 2 is red. So, hold on, I'm going to tip my board. Let's see if nothing falls. See how I did it? I have 7 and 2. Now I got to figure out what goes here. Oh, that 3 won't. That won't work. I need one that's bigger. Ooh, look at that. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So, oops, sorry, I got to pick you up again, guys. So, in my number bond, what's going to go here? That's right, the number 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Or 5 plus 2 equals 7. Or 7 equals 5 plus 2. Or 7 equals 2 plus 5. What about takeaway? 7 take away 5 equals 2. Can we show that with our rods? 7, see how I crust it out? Take away 5 equals 2. Or 7 take away 2 equals 5. Rods and number bonds and equations equations and number sentences and addition and subtraction, they all work together. And today, you're going to do some of that on your own. You'll probably need an adult to read you the directions and maybe get you started, but I think you can do it. It says, say the number sentence. Well, which one of these is a number sentence? Well, this is the number bond. And over here, kind of reminds me of a 10 frame, but without the boxes. 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom, right? So it's not this. This is the number sentence. So they want us to read it. 7 take away 2 equals. You need to use those math words. 7 take away 2 equals, right? So we did that. It says say the number sentence. Then it says fill in the blanks. Well, that's the blank. What would you put there? 7 take away 2. Well, this is 7. If we took away 2, what would it equal? And over here too. 7, oh, they took away the 2. What did it equal? So we know 5 is going in that box. And then it says, cross out the number, which they already did for you. And here it says cross out 2 dots. And you would cross out the 2 that are together. Down here, it's almost like they turned what was like a 10 frame on its side, right? Yeah, because it's still 5 on, it's usually 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom. This time they did it kind of on its side, and that works too. So you're going to read the number sentence. 7 take away 5 equals, yep, you're going to fill in the blank, and then of course you're going to cross out the right number of dots and write in your answer. So you can do that. You might need someone to help with the directions. I know it gets a little crazy. And again here, you're going to be doing the same thing. Draw and fill in the number bond and the number sentence. And then they want you also to draw 7 dots and cross out 2. Okay? And here. So the dots aren't on this page, but you're going to do it. So give yourself some time to work on that, boys and girls. I think you'll do a great job. If you have time, get on Happy Numbers. I think most of you are ready to move on. Have a great day.